Okay, so let us discuss some more example based on the quadratic equation, that how can we solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So here I have taken one question: p square x square plus p square minus q square into x minus q square equals to 0. So dear student, you can see here that coefficient of x square is p square. So value of a will be p square, value of b will be p square minus q square, and c equals to minus q square. Now what we will do, we will find at first d equals to b square minus 4ac. So it will be, the value of b is p square minus q square, then whole square 4 into p square into minus q square. So d equals to p square minus q square whole square, it will be p to the power 4 q to the power 4 minus 2 p square q square plus 4 p square q square. Understood? We have applied here a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, and then this 4 square p square. So d equals to p to the power 4 q to the power 4 plus minus minus 2 p square q square. So here you can see again this is in the expansion, p square whole square q square whole square plus 2 into p square q square. It can be written as p square plus q square to the whole square. So this is the value of d. Now x1 equals to minus b plus root under d by 2a. So minus b is b square minus q square plus root under d is p square plus q square whole square divided by 2 into p square. So x1 equals to minus q is p square plus q square. Since minus sign is there, so minus p square then plus q square, plus it is in square, so when it will come from the square root, so it will come only p square plus q square divided by 2p square. So x1 equals to this p square get cancelled out, 2q square by 2p square. So we will get q square by p square. This is the first value for x1. Now we will find x2. So x2 equals to what? Minus b minus root under d by 2a. So x2 equals to minus, the value of b is p square minus q square minus root under p square plus q square whole square divided by 2 into p square. So x2 equals to minus p square plus q square minus p square minus q square divided by 2p square. This q square cancelled out. x2 equals to minus 2p square by 2p square. 2 cancel. x2 equals to minus p square by p square, which is equals to minus 1. So x1 value is q square by p square and x2 value is minus 1. I think this is clear to you. So now it is very easy to solve quadratic equation with the help of the quadratic formula, I think, and you are also understanding that how to solve. Let us discuss one more example. Okay, so this is the next example. abx square plus b square minus ac into x minus bc equals to 0. So what is the value of a here? So coefficient of x square is ab, so a is ab. Now in place of b we will write b square minus ac and c equals to minus bc. Now we will find d at first. D equals to b square minus 4ac. So b is b square ac whole square 4 into ab into minus bc. So this is a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square 2 into a into b plus 4 a b square c. So it will be b to the power 4 a square c square 2b square ac plus 4 ab square c. So it will be b to the power 4 a square c square 2, when we will subtract this, b square ac. So this we can write b square plus ac whole square. Now x1 equals to minus b plus root under d by 2a. So minus b, that is minus b square minus ac plus root under b square plus ac whole square divided by 2 into ab equals to minus b square plus ac plus b square plus ac divided by 2ab. So x1 equals to minus b square plus ac plus b square plus ac by 2ab. It will be 2ac divided by 2ab. 2 cancel, c by b. Now in same way x2 equals to minus b minus root under d by 2a. So x2 equals to minus b is b square minus ac minus root under d, that is b square plus ac whole square divided by 2 into ab. So it will be x2 equals to minus b square plus ac minus b square minus ac by 2ab. So this AC get cancelled out. x2 equals to minus 2b square by 2ab. 2 cancel, b cancel. So x2 equals to minus b by a. I think these examples have make you comfortable with the quadratic formula uses. Now you can use the quadratic formula to get the value of roots of the quadratic equation. If there is any confusion, please you are free to ask it. Thank you very much.